Ye lovers of beauty, so fair and forlorn, so fondless I wander, so far from my home. I am off by the moonlight, or daybreak of morning, and I'm found in the mountains of dark Inishowen. I strayed round a place and they call it Clonmany, in search of a fair maid that I might adore, but a fair maid to love me I could not find any. From the Mandorn Bridge to the gap of my moor, due to the place where I once had a fair maid. No wonder when absent that I do make mourn, when I think of those green fields, the haunts of that fair one. Sure I pine for my darling in dark Inishowen. At night when asleeping, my dreams I caress her. Sure I feel as happy as when I was home, when I speak to the vision that bids me caress her, to a bosom that's pining in dark Inishowen. Well, it's now I am stationed in the county Fermanagh, far away from that cottage that I called my own. And if I go back yet, it will be far to wed her, and I live with my darling in dark Inishowen. Well, it's many's the day since I last saw her dwelling. When I think of that cabin I might never see more, sure I'll walk round that wild bay where the salt seas are rolling. From the tallest black rocks to the gap of my moor.